Hey, okay, welcome back to the Quadratic AI Analysis channel. We use the Quadratic AI spreadsheet from Quadratic HQ to analyze data which we have not actually looked at before. So the data for, let's start our clock. Our data for this evening comes from the QS, it's from Kaggle, World University Rankings 2025. This data set provides a comprehensive overview of QS University rankings for the period 2025, encompassing data on over 1,500 universities and 105 institutions, including institutional characteristics, regional classifications, and a variety of performance indicators that reflect academic reputation, employability, sustainability, and internationalization. Okay? So you've already downloaded the data. Go over here. The data is stored inside of an Excel spreadsheet. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, so as you can see, it didn't convert it to a table. So let's come over here. Look, alrighty, it doesn't really mean anything. We got rankings. So let's come over here now. Let's go over to here, down to here. Let's convert it to a table. Let's use first rows. Okay. You know what? Let's also zoom out a little bit so we can actually see what's going on. Better yet, let's just move to a new spreadsheet. Okay. So anyway, 13 minutes and counting. Let's just give it a bit of a hint exactly what we're dealing with here. And away we go. Script. That's correct, I am. Let me help recognize the data. That's interesting. Haven't seen this before, so it's kind of curious. Show top 10 universities, regional analysis. Let's look at the top 10 universities. Okay. Yeah, because it hasn't done this before, so it's kind of odd. So let's focus on the top 10. Let's focus on the top 10 universities, okay? Good. Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Okay. Let's shrink this down a little bit. All the things you are. And it's got through listening to part of Charlie Parker's solo on All the Things You Are. This looks nice. Let's do this. Let's spread this out to here and see what happens, okay? That's a nice plot. So we got here, it's the academic versus employer reputation scope, international metrics, okay, research and faculty metrics, okay, good. Let's say regional strengths. Let's zoom out a little more so we can see exactly what's going on here. Now you can see there's nothing really elaborate here about this data, is there? Regional analysis, okay. Okay. This is also a nice looking plot in it. We should be able to get some really good stuff for YouTube here. Let's see, what's this say here? 50 universities grouped by region. Okay. America leads with 36% of the top 50 universities. Europe and Asia each have 26%. Oceania has 12%. Performance metrics bar plot. Okay. Academic and employee reputation. All regions show strong performance in academic reputation. Americas and Europe lead in employer reputation resources and the international metrics. Oceania and Europe show particularly strong international facility and student and so forth. Let's see. Let's go over here. Let's make this one bigger also. So this is distribution of top 50 universities. Academic, employer reputation, faculty, student. This is distribution of top 50 universities by region. Okay, good. Let's zoom back out a little bit now. Let's come back over here. Let's do private versus analysis. We're on 6 minutes and 21 seconds. We've already got some good data here. And hopefully we'll have some data that will be good for YouTube to grab a screenshot of also. Oh, this looks good also. I must say that AI is really going good today. We got all kinds of plots for it. So what's this? Distribution introduced in type. AB overall, AB. Average scores by institution type. Okay, interesting. Let's zoom back out. Research focus analysis. Let's do research focus analysis. Let's create a comprehensive analysis of research intensity and relationship to other metrics. We're really getting some really nice plots today, at least visually speaking anyway. Okay. Okay, so spill means that it's out of space. Okay, I think that's what I'll just say in there. Yeah. Accept. So now we got this over here. All right. So this is okay also in it. Let's, we need to really like spread this down a lot. Okay. Another interesting plot, and this up here is like crazy, it's like crazy, what's this? Citations by, let's change this to 25. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. If you don't know who Charlie Parker is, go to YouTube and look him up. He many would consider Charlie Parker to be the greatest. Okay, so it's trying to move the space. Let's zoom out for a moment. Okay. Okay, so this is the top 25. The spill means there's not enough space to create the plot. Okay. Let's go over here. Okay, so let's come back over here now, and let's give YouTube a chance to see this plot here. Okay, see some of these plots. Okay.